No, not drizzling. It's pouring. It's pouring right now. Make it a vlog like it's really pouring. You see that? It's like a tiny river right now. There's multiple tiny rivers. There are streams of water. It's just great, isn't it? Great. I ran into the water. I meant the rain. Ew. And then you see this. Focus. You see this? It's beautiful. Just amazing. Amazing! Water everywhere! Yeah, this is great. I'm like crying for some reason. Well, actually my eye hurts, so I guess so. That's why I'm crying. My eye hurts right now. I think you don't need to know that, but yeah. You see the water right there? It kind of made a trench right where I'm pointing. Because the water is coming down onto there. Yeah, it's great. I don't have any slippers on. You see this poop? Freaking great. Well, pooping great actually. This is great! It's still January. Sorry. It's February. So it's kind of weird. I'm like on top. Hello. So, I don't know how to explain this, but this is really like pouring something. Okay, see over here? See me? I'm not wearing any pants, I'm wearing shorts. I didn't go swim yet. You see this? This is beautiful yard. My neighbor's yard. This is on my blog. It's just amazing. You see that? Boom. See this? Boom, okay. When I punch it, this is great. Little tiger. See this tiger? Silver. Wait. What's your look? There, that's the tiger. Well, looky here. It's great. When I came back from school, it was pouring. Outside over there, in my front yard, it's like, whoo! It's horrible. But this is great. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's happening. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna fall. See this? Oh, I almost dropped it. It's actually gonna destroy my tablet. Ah! Hi, butterfly. Hi, right. It just fell on me. My hair was drenched, so I just washed my head. I don't think anyone needed to know that, but okay. This is just great. I'm having a great time. I was gonna play Terraria, but I couldn't pass up the chance to do this. Make a vlog of me talking about rain, you know? Today at Maui, here are some things. We have, it's pouring. It's pouring. I'm in my like wait out area where I like can like do whatever. Wait a minute. mosquitoes. Since it's raining, mosquitoes come out since it's like raining. And they seek for shelter, which means inside my house, which that means I have to kill a bunch of mosquitoes again. Ugh. I'm like sniffling right now because I'm also sick. Not because of the rain. I was sick before the rain. You see that things just fell off? I'm just rambling on now. Well, I guess that's really it about the rain. Hey look, if you look over there, it's made a little like gap, like a line. Huh. Well, I don't know what to say. So, bye-bye. See you later. And peace.